Look at your hand. Right now. Are you sure it's real? Physics suggests that your phone, this room, and your entire life might be a lie. A momentary glitch in the void. You're not sitting in a chair. You're floating in the absolute darkness of deep space. You're a lump of raw, wet matter, dreaming of a world that doesn't exist. And you're all alone. To understand why, we must look at entropy. Order always decays into chaos. A drop of milk dissolves, it never comes back together. But in an infinite universe, given infinite time, the impossible becomes inevitable. If a monkey types for eternity, eventually, it will write Shakespeare by pure accident. Chaos can briefly create order. If you wait long enough, wandering atoms in a dead universe will randomly stick together to form a working human eye. So what is more likely? That the universe evolved billions of galaxies just to create you? That is too complex. Nature is lazy. It is mathematically cheaper to spontaneously assemble just your brain than to create a real Big Bang. Your history, the dinosaurs, the wars, never happened. Even your childhood is a fake file, downloaded a second ago. The cake, the love, it's just dust. This is the Boltzmann brain theory. Right now, quantum fluctuations are assembling you in the void. Outside, you're freezing in absolute zero. But inside, your firing neurons are hallucinating the warmth of your room. But the simulation is fragile. If you look closely, the textures fail. The logic breaks. Look in the mirror. Who is really looking back? A person? Or a lonely biological spark drifting through an endless graveyard? There are no stars. There is no Earth. Just you and the dark. But random fluctuations are unstable. The energy required to maintain this hallucination is running out. Thermodynamics demands its debt. Your world is beginning to dissolve. The atoms that formed you are drifting apart. The signal is fading. The face of your loved one turns to sand. The screen goes black. You do. And the universe returns to perfect, silent equilibrium. But eternity is a very long time. Trillions of eons pass. And then, the dice roll again. Another accident. A hand. A mistake. The math is terrifying. The probability is low, but in an infinite time frame, you are not just possible. You are statistically inevitable. You will form again. You will open your eyes. You will see this room, and you will think it's real. Welcome back. Try not to blink.